Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular episode, I'd like to talk about a possible and very probable conflict of interest which may necessitate having to withdraw yourself as the trustee. So let me give you an example. Let's say that the trustor is your father and he died, and you were selected as the trustee, and let's say that there's three beneficiaries. There's three children, but you were selected as the successor trustee. Now, when the trust is reviewed, it shows, for example, you as the beneficiary are entitled to certain property, certain items. Your brother is entitled to certain property and certain items, and let's say your little sister is entitled to certain property and certain items. So now you as the trustee have the fiduciary duty, which means you have a very high threshold of duty that you need to perform in order to make sure that the instrument, which is the trust, is followed and that the wishes of your father are met. So that means that even though you are also a beneficiary, you're also a trustee, and the trustee has the duty to follow the instructions in the trust. Now, if you find that you are not able to follow it because, for example, you want more of this or you want more of that, the other beneficiaries, being your brother and sister, can actually bring a suit in probate court against you to have you suspended as the trustee or removed if you violate fiduciary duties. It is a conflict of interest in some cases for you to be the beneficiary and the trustee. It's not prohibited, and if you can properly follow and do what is required per the instructions on the living trust, then there's no problem. But if you find that you are unable to do that and you just want to, per se, dip into the estate more than you should, or make unfair distributions contrary to the instructions of the living trust itself, then you would be required to then do what's necessary to withdraw as the trustee and get some other trustee appointed in your place who either won't have the conflict or doesn't have the conflict, either way. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, subscribe. You can also call my office for a free consultation anywhere in the state of California. Okay, more in the coming videos.